Alright, we got AKKO, Tactician. What is it, loser semis? I think it is. I don't care. Hey yo, that move broken. Whiffs a grab, whiffs a arc fire. Oh, he lost a stock? Damn, that's crazy. Damn, bruh. I was typing in Discord. Bro, you are not gonna edge guard Robin. I mean, maybe. I don't fucking know how this matchup works, because it's like... God damn, that move is cracked. That move wild. Back air, back air. It's like they're playing the same character. Oh shit, catches the neutral get up. Oh, that was get up attack. Bruh. Hellwind. Bruh, kill him. Hot fire. Oh my god, that was a nice ass combo, bruh. That made me come.
A good tactician has nothing to fear.
Start battle. I won't lose. Let's go.
You going Roy? What the fuck is this, bro? This motherfucker never go Roy. Yo, he's kind of cracked on the Roy though. Oh shit. know, bro. It looks like he's got this. Oh, Robin. Ooh, he fucked up that punish, bruh. Robbie typing on Discord while commentating. I'm the most cracked commentator ever. Damn. Nah, bro, I don't think maybe the Roy wasn't the move, bro. I don't know about all this. Come on, bruh. Don't tell me you're gonna switch and just get two stock like that. He switched over and he's getting two stock, bro. What is this? Oh, never mind.
Like it's strange, bro. Why does he want to go Roy against me? Huh, Tech? Fuck, bro. Acting like he's having fun, bro. And
Why didn't he just go Robin again, bro? He won the last game.
I wish I could use Joker. I can only play Fox. Joker's not that hard, honestly. The only difference is just got a falling up air, falling forward air, and falling there too, into grabs, and then you just go from there. You freestyle it.
Alright, we picking a song. Alright.
Oh, dude, it was scary. I almost lost against Dwylan. I did some cheese combo. I down threw him.
Let's go.
Tech chased him on the platform, down threw again, and then down B. It killed like at 80.
Oh my god. How's the plan matchup, bro?
The plan, dude. It's not that bad for the weekend. Cause like, I was getting hit by dumb stuff like plan down B. Like I should have been avoiding those better.
True.
And that was like my whole game plan. The second one, like, alright, I'm just not gonna get hit by down.
That move's kind of weird too. Like you can't even like control the direction and shit.
I was just running behind them. Like I was just run behind them, wait for them. I got an up B lead, but I messed it up. But I still got the game. I just down throw down B again.
Let's hope the old reliable on replay, bro.
Wait, is this Luther?
That's what this is for.
Already?
Yeah, bro.
He's barely been here for now. Dude, I was speedrunning my bracket. That's what you know. I was the only one there.
Yeah, he wanted to come commentate, bro.
Dude, I'm like, alright, I'm gonna go hurry up my matches and come here. Next one, alright. I'll finish that one then. Next one. Alright, let's see AKKO take this, bro.
I would like to see AKKO take this set. That'd be pretty hype. Mostly because I just never see his dude play.
This is where the real fight starts.
I don't know why he keeps trying to edge guard fucking Robin, bro.
It's easy, honestly. Because she can't hit you from the way up.
Yeah, but like you just get hitting her. Wouldn't you get more reward from like just ledge trapping the bitch or?
But Joker, it's pretty easy. You just drop down. Like he's not doing it. Like he's supposed to drop down first and then back there Robin. But like he can't do that right now. Or he can just down air her down.
Oh shit.
If he catches Robin's jump, Robin becomes super easy to edge guard.
Nice little, man. Nice little combo.
Dude, you gotta make those Arsene. If you don't, Joker, he's still good. It's just like he gets so much just like playing it right with Arsene. And I think a lot of players can actually like learn off Leo. Because if you watch Leo, his Arsenes are crazy, bro. He at least gets enough damage for him to kill with raw Joker, or he just kills him with freaking Arsene. Because you can get like reliably maybe 2 Arsenes this time.
I don't know, bro. I've just been keeping up with Leo's Violet, honestly. I haven't seen one of the Joker sets in forever.
Yeah, that's not a while. Oh, Pac ran into that one, bro. He's a bozo, dude. He started getting reflected, and he's like, yeah, this is my chance.
I don't know about that one, bro.
I think Red Theory tried doing it back there. I was dead.
Oh! What the fuck?
He freaking lost Arsene and saved himself. Tac's fuming right now, bro.
Nah, bro.
Nah, AKKO's gotta win this one now. He's gotta win this one. He can't lose.
There's no way. He has plot armor, bro. Oh, shit.
Tac off, man. Asher, bro. Okay, backers him. Get that Pokemon right there. Another backer? Come on, you can get him. He's covering low.
Oh, shit, bro. Let's try him. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, wait. He's gotta make this Arsene count, bro. Come on now. I don't know, bro. I usually go for Tactician, but this is just too high, bro.
The student is gonna overcome the master, dude?
No way.
Oh, okay. Nice shield right there.
Okay, he rolled away at the perfect time, too. But now he's getting comboed.
Okay, it's go time.
Oh, shit.
It's go time. You have no Legend and Arsene
He didn't get caught by the up tilt.
Oh, he's not
Wait.
yet. Let him know.
No way, no way, no way.
Wants to get back?
Oh,
Tackle
no,
the
no,
jump.
no, no, no.
Down smash, two frame, and
Ah, bro, he didn't deserve that. Lame as fuck. Nah, Tactician's mad as fuck, bro. He's mad as fuck.